What's up guys, I'm Brent and today I'm going to show you how I turned this wooden Christmas light. Check it out. Okay, so I've got my piece held between centers here, and I'm going to go ahead, take the corners off, and put a tenon on this end over here that will fit inside of my collet chuck. Alright, so now I'm just going to have my caliper set to the diameter that I want. I'm going to go ahead and use my parting tool to cut it to the size I want, make it a little bit wider, and then we can mount it in the collet chuck. Just need to take it a little bit smaller. I'm going to go ahead and mount this on the lathe and then we can start turning the Christmas light. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take the corners off and then we can start shaping it like a Christmas light. All right, so we got this turned down to round. I'm gonna go ahead and start shaping this. I'm gonna use just my 5/8 bowl gouge. I really like this gouge. It's also really good because this is burl and this cuts clean, or really cleanly on almost any wood. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that to shape most of it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the bulb portion down here at the bottom. Alright, so there's the light bulb portion. I'm going to go ahead and make the part where the threads would be. I'm going to switch down to a smaller bowl gouge. This is my 3/8 bowl gouge. I'm going to start taking this down over here. I'm gonna switch over to this little scraper here, just to kind of flatten this area out a little bit. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some lines in here just to kind of make it look like it has threads. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start to sand this, the light, and then we can start painting. All right, so now that it's sanded, I'm gonna go ahead and paint the thread area up here and then a little bit onto this. I'm gonna leave the rest of the wood natural. You can paint them if you want. I like to just leave the raw wood, except for up here. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, I just have a paint marker. This is gold, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint the threads up here. So as you can see, the tip of this one kind of goes in and out. So I'm just holding that over the cracks, or the lines, and kind of pushing it in and out. When you push it in, it kind of it releases the paint. And so doing that over the lines, that way can get those filled in. Probably would have been better to start out by doing that. I'm gonna move this up for this next part. Just use a black marker. I'm gonna put a line just around the top edge right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just part this off with a 1/16 inch parting tool right now. Okay, so I've got my hook here and then the ornament. I'm gonna go ahead and put a dab of super glue on the end of this, stick it in, and then we can let it dry. And then after that, we'll spray some finish on it, put a little ribbon on, and that's it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple coats of this on. You can buy this at Walmart for like $3. It's a triple thick crystal clear glaze. Really love this stuff. Each coat is the equivalent of 3 coats, and so you can get a really nice shine on your piece a lot faster. Go ahead, put a couple coats of this on, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, this was a super fun, quick project. I really love the way this one came out. The grain in this was just awesome. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and share it with all of your friends. Also, if you want to see what else I'm working on, I will have links to my Instagram and Facebook pages down below. Be sure to go check both of those out. Also, if you want to help support what I'm doing, be sure to go check out my Patreon page. I'll have a link to that down below in the description. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some of my others. I'll have 2 of them pop up on the screen here. Be sure to go check both of those out, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.